It's a 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is a talented multitasker with impressive fuel economy, thoughtful safety features, and a powerful performance. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, power heated mirrors, leather steering wheel, rear camera parking sensor, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. Chevy, 100 years of icons. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Another reason to choose Bob Pulte Chevrolet.
What's the Pulte price? It's my promise to you that we'll not lose your business because of price. We'll do everything in our power to let nothing stand between you and the new car or truck you're looking for.